Hi everyone, welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. My name is Michael, I'm from the Painting Co. Those who have children or are grandparents whose grandchildren come to visit know how frustrating it is when they start to draw on the walls. Today we will show you the easiest and the quickest way to paint over permanent marker on your walls using a Zinsser Odourless Stain Blocker Primer Sealer. This is another one of the fantastic Zinsser products. This stain sealer, even though it's oil-based, it's odorless. So you can use it in occupied areas, you can use it with your kids running around, as it's touch dry within 30 minutes. And for your bigger jobs, it's very easy to spray. When opening the product, make sure you always give it a really good stir. As it's sitting on the shelf, all the oils and everything go to the top, so you have to give it a really nice stir. Best thing is to use a stirring paddle like this one. Before using any product, make sure that you read MSDS, which is Manufacturing Safety Data Sheet, as well as wear appropriate PPE. And this will create a wonderful seal that will block the permanent marker from bleeding through, which is very important. Because no matter how many layers of paint you put on, permanent markers and crayons and lipstick always bleed through the paint. That's why it's always important to use an undercoat. There we go, and now we wait half an hour and the wall will be ready to be painted. You can already see that it's doing its magic. You can hardly already see it on the walls. You know that it will give us a really good coverage. It is always a good idea to give the wall a lighter. We've taped up the fireplace, we've got everything ready, and let's get painting. The trick to painting is to always use premium products and use premium paints. You will find that the painting job will be much easier and will give you a much nicer finish as well. This also works fantastic on your timber stains, water stains, and cigarette smoke stains. So it's just another fantastic product by Zinsser. And there we go. It's all gone. Now let's just have a closer look at the wall, just to show everybody how easy it is and that you can't see any permanent marker bleeding through. And this really is a wonderful product. It makes everyday painting jobs much easier. And as we always say, Zinsser, no problem.